Today I'll talk about infectious disease epidemiology. It is part of my series of lectures on biostatistics. So what is an index case? A person that comes to the attention of public health authorities is known as index case. What is primary case? Person who acquires the disease from an exposure is known as primary case, and this information is used to calculate the attack rate. What is secondary case? Person who acquires the disease from an exposure to the primary case is known as secondary case, and this information is used to calculate the secondary attack rate. What are the synonyms for attack rate? The synonyms include incidence proportion, risk, probability of developing disease, and cumulative incidence. This is an example for calculation of attack rate when few group of persons are exposed to a particular stale food. So the first group are those persons who ate the food, and the second group is who did not eat the food. The first group is exposed to a particular stale food, and the second group is not exposed. Among the exposed, 10 were ill, 3 were well. Total were 13. Among the not exposed, 7 were ill, 4 were well. Total 11. So the attack rate is equal to number of people who are ill divided by ill plus well individuals multiplied by 100 during a time period. So this comes out to be 76% for those who are exposed and 64% for those who are not exposed. So the relative risk is 1.2. Now what is secondary attack rate? The formula for secondary attack rate is total number of cases minus initial cases divided by number of susceptible persons in the group minus initial cases. It is used to estimate the spread of disease in a family, household, dormitory, or other group environment. It measures the infectivity of the agent and the effect of prophylactic agents, if any. This is another example of mumps experience of 390 families exposed to a primary case within the family. So these are age in years, age groups. These are total individuals, 300 in the age group 2 to 4, 450 in the age group 5 to 9. This example I have taken from internet, and this is the number of susceptible before primary case occurred. 250 are susceptible out of 300, and primary cases were 100 out of these 250, and secondary were 50. So secondary attack rate in the age group 2 to 4 years is equal to 150 minus 100. 100 are primary cases. These are total cases divided by 250. These are the susceptible population minus 100, which are the primary cases. So this is 33%. So secondary attack rate is 33% among 2 to 4 year old. Then case fatality rate is equal to number of deaths due to disease divided by number of cases of that particular disease. It reflects the fatal outcome or deadliness of a disease which is affected by efficacy of treatment. This is an example. So assume a population of 1000 people. In 1 year, 20 are sick with cholera and 6 die from the disease. So the cause-specific mortality rate, this I have described in my lecture on demography. The cause-specific mortality rate in cholera is 6 divided by total population, or 0.6%. The case fatality rate from cholera is the number of deaths divided by total cases of that particular disease, that is cholera case, it is 30%. Infection rate, this includes cases in apparent infection or subclinical infection. Inherent infection by serological examination. So this is infection. This is all for today. Thank you very much.